Which of following is equation of line K in the xy plane below? What we can say about our line K? The straight line. So equation of our straight line will be y is equal ax plus b. A is slope of our line K. A is positive y because our function is going up. So A is for sure positive. What else we can say? B is y-intercept. In our xy plane, we see that line K intercept y-axis at point 0, 2. So we have that B is equal to. We can write that our line is y is equal ax plus 2. Y plus 2 because our line K intercept y-axis at point 0, 2. That's why we have plus 2. And like I said, A must be positive because our function is going up. So now let's see what we have given here. We have first function y equals 2. It's not our function because we don't have here x. So A is positive, so we need to have expression with x. And what else? Y equals 2 is straight line which is parallel to x-axis. Something like this. This line must pass by 2 on y-axis. This is what line y equals 2. So it's not our K line. So first function is not our function. The second is y equals x. We said that the graph of our K function must be ax plus 2 for sure because our function passed point 0, 2. So it also is not our function. X equals 2 is line which is parallel to y-axis, something like this. Here we have 2. So this is our line x equals 2. It's not our line. And the last we see, we have y is equal x plus 2. Coefficient before x is invisible 1. So A is equal 1. It's positive number. Like we said, our function is going up, so A is positive, so it's okay. And we have plus 2. It means our line pass point 0, 2. The same. So we can say only that the fourth function, y equals x plus 2, is our line K. What else? If we see that for x equals negative 2, we see that our function K passed also point negative 2, 0. So let's see if we substitute x by negative 2 and y by 0, everything will be okay. We see that this point belongs to graph of our function. This is our point. Negative 2, 0. This is x coordinates, y coordinates, so we substitute x by negative 2, y by 0. So we have 0 is equal negative 2 plus 2. So we see that 0 is equal 0. It means that this point belongs to this line. So we are sure that this is our line K. This line is going up. Past point 0, 2 and negative 2, 0. So this is my solution. And if you want to know the graph of y equals x function, this function passed point 0, 0 because we don't have here anything. X is like plus 0, so must pass the origin and is something like this. This is our y equals x function. So it's also not our k line. This is my solution.